Today's podcast will have the subject of technology, grade levels 3 through 8, and the objective will be after watching this podcast, students will be able to make a slideshow using iPhoto. Today we are going to be working with iPhoto. This is the icon for iPhoto. What I would like for you to do is click on the icon for iPhoto. Once iPhoto opens, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. The next thing we're going to do is import photos into our library. You do that by going File, Import to Library. You then get a screen that looks like this. Since our files are located on the desktop, I'm going to choose Desktop, Untitled Folder, and then I'm going to click Import. Once the files have finished importing, they are moved into the Recent section of iPhoto called Last Import. Now that our files are imported, we have something in Events. Events are the way our photos are organized. The events or photos that I am working with this time are from my trip to San Francisco a few years ago. So I'm going to name this event San Francisco. So now I have my San Francisco event. I am now going to double click it, and once I'm in there, I'm going to go through and select a few key photos that I want my presentation to be about. These photos should highlight the ideas and things that you have for your presentation, the key points that you want to bring out. I have selected about 19 photos. Once you have all the photos selected that you want for your slideshow, then simply go down to the bottom of the page and click the slideshow button that looks like the play button. Once you have pressed this button, it may take a few seconds for your slideshow to start, but it's not going to start just yet. You will have a menu that pops up. This is where you can select different types of themes. You have the Ken Burns effect or theme, the origami theme, and several others. I'm going to click through these, and they give you a little brief demonstration of what they're all about. My favorite theme is the shatter theme and the way it presents itself. The next thing we're going to look at is how you can select the different types of music for your slideshow. You have several options that you can choose from, but I'm going to use the standard theme music that comes with iPhoto and the iLife suite. But you can choose any music that you would like from your iTunes library as long as you have the correct copyright and everything set. The next button at the top is Settings, where you can choose how long you want your slides to play and if you want the slideshow to fit to the length of the music. I usually leave this alone because it does a good job. Finally, you just hit play, and then your music and your slideshow starts to play. And so that's how teachers and or students can make a quick and easy slideshow using iPhoto.